Today's topic is 15 best flowering plants for winter season.
Number 1. Dianthus. Dianthus. Number 2. Gladiolus. Gladiolus.
Number 3. Calendula. Calendula. Number 4. Dahlia plants. Dahlia plants. Number 5. Hibiscus or China rose. Hibiscus or China rose. Number 6. Inca marigold. Inca marigold. Number 7. Zinnia. Zinnia. Number 8. Asiatic lily. Asiatic lily. Number 9. Petunia. Petunia. Number 10. Carnation. Carnation. Number 11. Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum. Number 12. English rose. English rose. Number 13. Gerbera. Gerbera. Number 14. White marigold. White marigold. Number 15. French marigold. French marigold. Guess these flowers names and give these answers in comment box.